Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Creative shape-based typography poster in Photoshop. First, I create a vertical poster canvas and leave space for text. Then I add large abstract shapes behind the text area. I duplicate and rotate shapes to create movement in the background. Next, I lower opacity so typography remains readable. After that, I place text using the Type tool and adjust hierarchy. I align shapes so they visually support the headline. Then I zoom out to judge balance between text and shapes. Finally, I make small adjustments until the poster looks bold and clean.